Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will deliver debate practice with the motion studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. There are government team and there are outside team. First, the government will be delivered by me. Studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills because it lays the foundation for effective communication in language proficiency. Grammar builds a strong foundation for language proficiency. I have two reasons. First, mastery of grammar provides a structured framework for language learning, facilitating comprehension and expression in various contexts. According to a study published in the Journal of Educational Psychology by Dornier and Skehan 2003, explicit grammar instruction leads to significant improvement in language proficiency, including speaking skills. The study suggests that understanding grammar rules help learners produce more accurate and complex language structures during conversation. Based on linguistic theories such as cross-sense input hypothesis, emphasize the importance of comprehensible input, which includes grammatically accurate language in language acquisition. This supports the argument that studying grammar enhances language learning and proficiency. Second, grammar proficiency enables individuals to communicate effectively, conveying their thought with precision and clarity. A study conducted by Norris and Ortega 2000, published in the Studies in Second Language Acquisition, found a positive correlation between grammar knowledge and language fluency. The researchers concluded that learners who received explicit grammar instruction demonstrated higher levels of fluency and accuracy in their spoken language. Language quality and perception research by Hinkle 2004, published in the TESOL Quarterly, suggests that speakers who exhibit grammatical accuracy and are perceived more positively by listeners, indicating that grammar proficiency contributes to the overall quality of communication. By focusing on grammar study, individuals can develop the language skill necessary for successful communication in academic, professional, and social contexts. In conclusion, the notion that studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skill is supported by research demonstrating the foundational role of grammar in language learning and its contribution to precision and clarity in communication. Thank you.
I disagree with your opinion. You say that grammar proficiency possibility individuals to communicate effectively. Possibility is an uncertain thing, right? Effective communication is communication that can understand and be understood by the listener. Therefore, in my opinion, practicing conversation skills is more important than studying grammar. I have two reasons and three evidence to support my statement. Good conversational skills involve more than just mastery of grammar. Conversational skills can be practiced daily with communication. Communication in everyday life is very important. Humans cannot avoid various forms of communication because with communication, humans can build the relationship they need as social beings. In conversation, the main focus is to achieve understanding and exchange information with others. While correct grammar is important, more important is the ability to convey the message in a way that the listener can understand. In a research by Mailani et al. In 2022, explained that every sentence spoken by humans to each other always has its own special purpose. So we know that there are types of sentence including sentence to ask questions and sentence to provide information or notification sentence. According to Marat 20 and 19, states that if the listener fails to capture the function or purpose of the conversation, it is said that they misunderstood. Then, practicing conversation can also help students to develop the ability to express themselves. understands context, and adapts to different communication situations. This not only involves understanding grammar, but also involves using the right vocabulary, correct intonation, and good listening skills. According to the study by Nation and Newton in 2023, practicing conversation regularly can help students acquire better language skills in terms of pronunciation, vocabulary, and context understanding. Moreover, the study also showed that students who actively participated in conversation with native speakers of the target language had better language proficiency than those who only focus on learning grammar theoretically. In the context of language learning, it is important to understand that learning grammar and practicing conversation are complementary. Students need to learn grammar to understand the structure of the language and its rules, but they also need to practice conversation to apply that grammar knowledge in real communication context. In conclusion, while correct grammar is important, effective conversation involves the ability to understand the listener and adapt to the real context of communication. The ability to convey a message clearly and be understood by the listener is important skill in interpersonal communication. Thank you.
I stand here for support that studying grammar is more crucial than practicing conversation skill. Studying grammar is fundamental as it provides structure and framework for effective communication. It is because grammar is the foundation of language proficiency. Without a solid understanding of grammar rules, communication can be unclear or misunderstanding. By mastering grammar, we can automatically master language skills so we can easily communicate with other people. The evidence that supports my statement is research by Smith and Jones in 2019. This research found that students who dedicate time to studying grammar demonstrate greater fluency and accuracy in their spoken language compared to those who solely focus on conversation practice. Another research published in a linguistic journal in 2020 found that a strong understanding of grammar significantly contributes to a person's ability to communicate effectively. This is supported by empirical data which shows a positive correlation between the level of grammar mastery and clarity and accuracy in everyday conversation. On the other hand, mastering grammar allows for more accurate and precise expression, leading to effective communication in both spoken and written forms. For example, in real life, in professional settings such as academic, business, and journalism, mastery of grammar is often a prerequisite for success. Clear and grammatically correct communication is essential for conveying complex ideas, building credibility, and establishing professional relationships. In conclusion, by understanding the rules of grammar, individuals can communicate clearly, confidently, and accurately in various contexts, ultimately enhancing their language proficiency. Therefore, I support that studying grammar should be considered more important than practicing conversation skills. Thank you.
Okay, I disagree about your statement because studying grammar is not necessarily more important than practicing conversational skills because fluency and effective communication often really more. Because, for my opinion, in everyday life, the main purpose of communicating is to understand and be understood. The ability to speak fluently and participate in effective conversation is often more important than having a perfect knowledge of grammar. In research, language acquisition has consistently highlighted the efficiency of conversational practice in improving language proficiency. Studies have shown that learners who engage in regular conversational practice demonstrate higher
levels of fluency, comprehension, and communicative competence compared to those who focus on grammar instruction. It is taken from Law 1996. Speaking practice can help one to develop confidence, improve listening skills, and expand vocabulary, all of which are important aspects of successful communication. In addition, in research from Duvon and Schutziel 26, language exchange programs which prioritize conversational practice have been shown to accelerate language learning and cultural adaptation. On the other hand, focusing too strongly on learning grammar theoretically can limit one's ability to adapt to various communication situations in real life. So, in conclusion, although grammar learning has its place in language learning, it is through practicing conversational skills that learners achieve mastery. By engaging in meaningful interaction and dialogue, learners develop the ability to express themselves fluently, accurately, and naturally, regardless of minor grammatical inaccuracies. Therefore, we assert that practicing conversational skills is more important than learning grammar on the road to language proficiency. Thank you.
As a government, I believe that studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills because it lays the foundation for effective communication. Grammar provides the structural framework upon which language proficiency is built. I have two reasons why I hold this argument. Firstly, grammar ensures clarity and precision in communication. Understanding grammar rules helps the learner construct grammatically correct sentence, reducing the risk of miscommunication and ambiguity. Secondly, grammar enhances language comprehension. By learning grammar, students gain insight into how sentences are structured and how words function within them, which aids in understanding both written and spoken language. To support this argument, research has shown that students who study grammar exhibit higher levels of language proficiency compared to those who focus solely on conversational skill. A study from Jack Richard, published on October 2017, found that students who received grammar instruction performed better in language assessment and demonstrated greater fluency in both speaking and written tasks. Additionally, many language proficiency tests, such as the TOEFL and IELTS, assess grammar proficiency as a crucial component. Mastering grammar not only improves test score, but also ensures success in academic and professional setting where language proficiency is essential. In conclusion, while practicing conversation skills is undoubtedly important, studying grammar serves as the foundation for effective communication. By understanding the rules and principles of grammar, learners can communicate more clearly, comprehend language better, and achieve higher levels of language proficiency overall. Therefore, prioritizing emphasizing grammar study over conversation practice is essential for language learners to develop strong communication skills. Thank you.
I don't agree with the government's opinion. As you know, the main purpose of learning language is to be able to communicate with other people. Therefore, I stand by the statement that practicing conversation skills is more important than learning grammar. I have two reasons to support this statement. The first reason, as I said, the main purpose of learning language is to be able to communicate, and effective communication depends more on conversational skills than grammar skills, because grammar is more important for understanding language structure. Conversation skills enable a person to interact effectively in everyday communicative situations, both in informal and formal conversations. I will provide evidence for my reasons. A study by Thornton and Taylor, 2021, shows that learning conversation skills directly contributes to improving students' communication skills. They found that students who engage in direct conversations practice had better communication skills compared to students who only focus on grammar. And then, the second reason, direct practice in the form of conversations play a key role in increasing effective language acquisition. Interacting in everyday situations allows learners to experience language in a relevant and varied context. Whereas studying grammar in the classroom is often limited to formal rules and structures without the opportunity to apply them in real-life context. I have two evidence for this reason. Research conducted by Vika and Young, 2022, shows that direct practice in real life increases language acquisition more effectively than just learning grammar in the classroom. People often learn language more quickly and remember more when they engage in conversation than when they apply grammatical rules and context. This research is supported by the direct experience of Kitasa, or a student in Germany who also influenced her, stating that her English language skill improved more rapidly when she was in an environment that supported the use of English, where she was often involved in direct communication. Then when she learning English only theoretically in the classroom. So, in my conclusion, in language learning, focusing on conversational skills is more important than just studying grammar theoretically in the classroom. Through direct practice in communicating, both in everyday situation and in the form of conversation exercise, students can develop skills that are more practical and relevant to actual communication skills. Thank you.
I think I disagree with what you said. I think what you are describing is not correct. I think that learning grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. Grammar is the rules that help us understand how words work together. Learning grammar is important in understanding and using language correctly. The first reason I say learning grammar is more important than practicing conversation is that learning grammar helps us understand the context and meaning in conversations. With a good understanding of grammar, we can understand and interpret sentences better. The second reason is that learning grammar helps us avoid mistakes in communications. With a good understanding of grammar, we can avoid mistakes such as word usage errors and sentence structure errors. For example, understanding the rules of tenses will help us to avoid mistakes in conveying the time of events.
Through grammar learning, messages will be clearly conveyed and interpreted and will not cause confusion and misunderstanding. This was explained in Pawan's research in 2023 on the benefits and importance of grammar. Grammar really helps us to understand how sentence structure works, how words interact, and how we can use them to convey meaning clearly and effectively. As evidence, a study by Shakir and Mahmoud, published on May 18 in 2021, examined the importance of grammar in communication for learners of English as a second language. The results of this study show that grammar has an important role in forming and understanding words in communication. Another evidence, a study by De Kesher in 2007, showed that learning grammar explicitly can help students in understanding and using language structure better. The study showed that students who learn grammar explicitly had a significant improvement in speaking or conversation ability compared to students who only practice conversation. Therefore, based on the arguments, reason, and evidence I have presented, I can conclude that learning grammar is more important than practicing conversation. By learning grammar in advance, we can also learn better speaking or conversation. We can also learn better, and by mastering grammar, conversation will be more focused in terms of rules and language. Therefore, I emphasize that learning grammar is more important than practicing conversation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. But I don't agree with that opinion. In my opinion, prioritizing conversation skills over grammar learning is the most important thing for effective language acquisition and communication. In everyday life, the ability to participate in a conversation is more important than having perfect grammar. Conversation skills enable individuals to communicate their ideas, understand others, and build meaningful relationships. A study by Ya Chan-Su in Educational Studies 2021 showed that students who engage in regular conversation practice show higher levels of confidence and proficiency in real-life communication situations compared to those who focus on grammar studies. Then, language is dynamic and depends on context. Conversation practice improves adaptability and fluency by exposing learners to a variety of linguistic contexts, idiomatic expressions, and cultural sense that cannot be fully understood through grammatical rules alone. This was proven by Atkin and Munafar in 2024 in Science and Innovation. Examined the language learning experience of participants who were immersed in a foreign culture. The findings reveal that conversational practice plays an important role in helping students understand cultural nuance, idiomatic experience, and nonverbal cues. Next, actively participating in conversation improves long-term understanding of language structure and better vocabulary. Practicing with students in an active conversational environment accelerates language learning and increases fluency as students apply grammar concept in real-time situation. This is also proven in research conducted by Smith et al. In 2023 in the IEEE Region 10 conference in the journal 10Con showed that active participation in conversation increased short-term remembering and long-term fluency. At its core, effective communication is not about mastering grammatical rules, but rather about using language in a meaningful and adaptable way. By prioritizing conversational practice students can develop the skills they need to navigate real-world interaction confidently and fluently. So, prioritizing conversation skills is more important than understanding grammar. Thank you.
I'm Memuna Lufiana with student ID 2521104, and I agree with the statement that studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. And I have two reasons. The first is learning the grammar of a language must be studied first before practicing speaking communication, especially in a foreign language. This is because there are differences in structure between languages, so that if the person you are speaking to only understand, then it's not suitable for formal communication. And the second one is avoid misunderstanding. In English, there are especially rules for using verb to in the past. If this is not studied first, there will be misunderstanding in its meaning. Thank you.